We also, I haven't seen any yet in this pallet, but we have lots of hair. So much hair. Eyelashes. Wait, yeah.
She found something else.
Mama! Oh my God! Here's one right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a push-in part here. Sometimes, usually it's the corners that I've seen, but that's how we get them. They liquidate them because the box is dented, and you get them for $6.
Oh! Good morning at 7 a.m.
More LED lights, cars. Yeah, this one was a remote too.
Store manager here at the Benz store in North Augusta. Y'all come see us.
Bye guys.
You're still here? It's over. Go home.